Hello, so what is going on, guys? It's Timothy right here, back with another video. So as you remember, the last videos I've actually created this. So today what I'm gonna be doing is we're gonna be going, and I think I'll just let me just do something all right here. I think I know how to edit Tor. Got font size 14. I'll just get 18. I mean, just space and 18 for me. Let's say this. Does it will work? Let's see. It does work. So yeah, I definitely know to code JSON, because this is actually JSON file. I'm gonna go with 14 though. It doesn't love 14. It's small. 14 is small. I'm gonna go with 15. No. I'm gonna go with 17 or something. Yep, there we go. Much more better. So, okay, let me just move the curtain right here, because there's actually sun glare at my what do you call this, monitor. Sorry. So we're gonna be adding a what do you call this thing? Decanter. We're gonna be adding a GUI into this big bad boy right here. So, oh sorry. Oh no. Not saying to do that. So let's type import Decanter. From Decanter import. Oh, this is just me using some music. Really, I just actually want to listen to some music. Like songs. Yeah. So from Decanter import all, then import from Decanter imports Messagebox. So here at the very top or bottom, I'm gonna go with the top. No, I'm gonna go with the bottom, because we need to do it at the bottom one. So right here, let's type get equals entry. Maybe this must be okay, so we should set first our window size and title. So just root equals capital T lowercase k, and then type root to title. Hello, RPS 2. Then root dot geometry (500 by 500). Then next, right in here, let me just create a text first. Text equals label. So we're gonna be into the root. Then text equals please put your choice in the entry box. Entry box, there we go. So okay, let me just, there we go. So next, what I'm gonna be needing to do is text.grid, then get equals entry entry, and then root, then there we go, then get dot grid. The next we're gonna be I think I don't want to actually do this. Let me just color theme darkless default. I don't want its original dark default. What is light? I don't also like the light one. It's black. No, I don't want to actually that. Then horizon. There you go. I like that. Or I think I don't know. Let me just change that for give me dark. Now. Okay, let me just. Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing. Dark mode. There you go. There you go. I like this. I like this one. Well, I think it's just the same as the original one, but I much more like this. So I think we should now add a button. We can name it as a done equals k. Equals button root text equals submit. Play. Then done dot grid, and let me just see if the windows appear. The window appear. Oh, it doesn't appear. Why? Okay, there's an indentation thing right here to main, so we should remove this first because we're gonna add root dot main loop. Sorry. Then we should relaunch this. There we go. We have now a window. There's a entry box right here, a text and logo RPS right here. So this works. So right here at dev main, let me just cut this and put it right here. Let's check right here. Entry. Well, I'll just add main right here, so it would restart main. Then entry. Get equals entry dot get. Then I think no, I'm gonna make this as a user though. User. I'm gonna make it as E first. Just E. Then print. Let me just see if it worked. Print E. So RPS. Yeah, would that work because I didn't put it to go in there. So where's the button? There you go. Command equals, what's that? Main. So it doesn't, entry is not defined. Oh, yep. Oh, you mean get. So we should put it not get that get. Get, it's get that get. Because if we name the variable, we name the entry get. So we should like this, like that. So it just prints. Oh yes. So we can now name it as a user. Oh, sorry. So let me just save it. This is actually my biggest fears, guys. Rock. Play. Rian. Okay, so let me just remove that thing. Where's that user? There we go. I'm not sorry, guys. I'm not speaking the fluent. I'm rock. Play. What is this? A1 wins, A1 to lose. Oh yeah, because it just do this thing. So I think I'm gonna do that. Let's do it again. Relaunch this app. I think I should actually be going and using this terminal though. I'm not taking advantage of this terminal. It just lags my computer though. Okay, thank you. I'll not be using you. I'm gonna be using my mouse. RPS. Where is this? So rock. Play. It's a tie. Oh, I mean, rock again. If it. Oh yes, this works. What another? I think. Oh my gosh. So scissor. I mean paper. Play. Oh yes. So I have actually cough right now. Sorry guys. So I forgot how to use Messagebox. Because I'm not actually using I'm not actually using it much more fluent. So I think I'm gonna be googling it. I'm not actually good without Google. So Messagebox. Messagebox in Tickender. Okay, so this. Okay, so I'm gonna go with where's it? So this is for I think this is for Python 2 though, because there's some TK right there. Please make it there's a tutorial on Python spot. So there you go. This is for Python 2.7, then this is Python 3. So yeah, copy and paste. So oh yes, where's my control? No, not control F, but control H. There, and replace it with this. And enter. Oh, there we go. So as you can see, so it's right in here. I'll not add a title. So let's remove the title. So let me just see if it does works. But if that does works, I'm gonna be so happy and I'm gonna be going wild today, guys. What is that? Rock? I think rock. Okay. Let's see. Oh yes, it does works. yes, it does works. Great. So I'm gonna be doing this into. I'm gonna be print replace it with this. So changing it to like that. Oh my gosh. So we need to remove this at these sides, but oh my gosh. But I think I should not put it like that because I need to copy them, but it's okay. I can deal with that. So rock, paper, so rock, paper. So user is equals to paper. So user, you win. Rock, scissor, scissor, you lose. I mean, AI win. I'm just clicking Control S and I just remember that my VS Code is actually auto save. So paper AI win. Then right here AI lose. I have misspelled this AI. Then AI lose. Okay, we don't. Yes, it does. Sorry. So next, what I'm gonna be doing is the last thing right here. Oh my god. Okay. AI win, I think. Rock is no AI lose. Then right here AI win. I mean you lose. And I think we have our finished product. Five rock. Let's just play just rocks. AI win. What a TK message box. So it means it's a tie. So it's a tie again. It's a mid AI lose. It's error. It does works. So it's a tie. I'm gonna add it's a tie, right? I'm gonna go with a TK message box, then replace it with it's a tie. It is a tie. There you go. We are now in our finished product. Rock. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna add right here on a text 2 equals label root text equals rock paper or paper scissors. Text 2.read and we should be good to go. Okay, let me just a little bit move my mic. There we go. Oh, sorry. So go to desktop, RPS, launch it. Oh, rock. Sorry. Okay, it does played. Good to go, and I'm gonna be releasing it later on. So yep, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the thumbs up, don't dislike, click the subscribe, and don't be whack.